Congratulations to you if you are looking for a video that will teach you how to bake bread at home. This is the video for you. Now in a bowl, you have to pour in half cup of water and 4 tablespoons of sugar so that it will not be too sweet. If you add more than that, it may be too sweet. You should also add a cup of milk, just 1 cup of condensed milk, and it will do the job. Then add your yeast. Cover it and allow the yeast to work on the sugar so that it will activate the yeast. This step or method, this approach makes the dough to rise fast because the yeast is already active. So stir it until everything is combined and allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see how it looks. It must be like this, so cloudy. And then you drop in your egg, crack in just 1 egg. After that, you start adding your flour bit by bit. So you share it into 2. You add 200 grams first. Just share the 450 grams of flour into 2. So you add the first half and use your spatula to just mix it carefully and gently mix it until everything is well combined and the dough is formed. You have to mix it well so that the gluten will be properly formed. At this point, I want to plead with you to please support my video by subscribing and clicking on the like button. Please click the like button, subscribe to this channel, drop your comment. Which recipe do you want me to share next? And I will do justice to that. So at this point, we are adding the other half, and you can see my hands are very clean, properly washed in a running water before we use it, because hygiene is very, very important. So you go in with your hands and knead it properly. Make sure you knead it properly, because if you do not knead it properly, 1, the dough will not be smooth. 2, the gluten that makes the bread to be elastic and even the dough to be elastic will not be properly formed. So make sure you knead it well. So at this point, you can see how my own looks very, very, very nice. Make sure every part of your production, the table and everything you're using is well clean. Now we are going to add our salt in a melted butter. Stir it. You can actually add it from the beginning, but I choose to add it at this point. So you stir it and then pour it into the dough. This will improve the smoothness of your dough and also make the dough very soft and pliable. Don't be scared of the messiness of the butter. Just go in and do the needful step by step. So easy to make bread, is very, very easy. Now if you want us to train you on how to make bread at home and commercial bread, just give us a call or contact us on WhatsApp and we'll do justice to that. So after kneading, you can see how my dough looks. So we're going to allow it to rest and proof. That means we allow it to rise for at least 20 minutes. So you just keep it, cover it with your towel. This towel is my baking towel. It's not used for any other purpose. It's just for baking. So after 20 minutes, you can see that it has doubled in size. So at this point, you don't have to knead again. Just take it to the table and mold. So you just press it down and the mold, you can see that is very smooth and nice. So you just mold and bring your pan. I tell you, this bread is going to be super delicious, and my children are already waiting. They are just standing by, waiting for a delicious bite. You can see it, position it like this. Now the pan is properly greased. You just allow it to proof. You can see when it is 80% full, you egg wash and bake at 190 degrees centigrade for at least 45 minutes. It shouldn't be higher than 190 degrees centigrade, so as not to just burn your bread. Make sure it's 190 degrees centigrade. So after egg washing, the purpose of egg washing is to give us that golden, beautiful brown color. After egg washing, we send it to the oven and boom, this is the beautiful loaf we have been waiting for. Wow, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, drop your comment. See you in our next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.